Hey yo, PB.
Bruh.
Are you serious, bro? Are you serious? It seems like every time I'm doing the fucking like video, you always got something to say. You always interrupting my sessions, bro. What's up, Ezel? What's happening?
What's happening is, you know what you did to your kid's hair. You put a fucking kid in their hair.
Bro, you sound stupid. You sound dumb as hell, bro. I ain't gonna answer that fucking question.
Well, it wasn't a question anyways. I know you put a kid in their hair.
Bro, you always talking shit though, but you don't do nothing though. You know what I'm saying? All you do is stay up in the fucking ceiling the whole time. You feel me? You ain't coming down here. You really don't want these hands, bro. You really ain't trying to catch that fade, so just shut up, my nigga. For real.
Yeah, you always talking shit too. But like you ain't gonna do shit.
Yeah, alright.
I ain't put a kid in my kid's hair. Don't be mad.
Bruh.
Bro, I swear. Do you really think I put that shit in my kid's hair? You just mad. You mad, they mad, everybody mad. Come on, man. It only been fucking 3 weeks and they already spinning like that. Come on, I'm gonna put that in my kid's hair, bro. It's baby hair, bro. It's gonna look silky like that. Plus the texture, the type of texture they have. I ain't gonna explain myself to you, my nigga. I'm not gonna explain myself to you. I'm just gonna keep on.
Nah, but what you getting mad for?
You fucking on my session, man. You always messing on my sessions, bro. You know what I'm saying? You think I'm lying? You really think I'm... You really think I'm gonna put this shit in my hair, bro?
Oh, hell no.
You really think I'm gonna put this shit in my hair or my kid's hair, period? This shit right here? Come on, my nigga. Come on, bro.
Bro, you buy one every week.
Come on, man. You sound dumb.
Every month, you put one in your hair.
Get me hot, man.
You put one in your kid's hair. You do a video, act like you done got one. We all know what's up with you. We hip to you, bro. You have a kid in your hair. Your kids have a kid in their hair too.
Bruh.
Just shut up, man. Let me finish my session.
That's a damn shame you put a kid in your kid's hair. I can't believe you, PB.
You still talking shit? Alright, so you think and y'all think I'm really putting a kid in my kid's hair? We about to get straight to the bottom of this shit.
I'm so wavy, yes I'm so wavy. So wavy, yes I'm so gross. So wavy, yes I'm so wavy. I'm so wavy, yes I'm so wavy. So wavy, yes I'm so gross. So wavy, yes I'm so wavy. I'm so wavy.
Bruh. Are you serious though? Like, are you serious? You gotta be fucking kidding me, bro. You gotta be kidding me. It doesn't matter what the fuck I do, bro. It doesn't matter what I do. It does not matter what I do at all whatsoever. Somebody is always gonna have something to say. You know why? Because I'm the GOAT, bro. That's why, bro. You know what I'm saying? They always gonna have something to say. You feel me? But anyways, man. Back to what happened in the bathroom, bro. Ezel, man, this nigga always, he's wild, bro. I can't never get a good ass session in without him bothering me. You know what I'm saying? He always fucking with me. You know what I'm saying? But I got the session in, and I just ragged up and whatnot. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can see I'm dumb woofing. You feel me? It's getting crazy, bro. It's getting kind of out of hand. You feel me? But yeah, man. My kid, look, we're gonna read comments and shit like that, man. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna read comments. We're gonna go to the last video, and this the video right here that made people like be like, oh. And don't get me wrong, it's a lot of positive comments on there too. Shout out to you guys. But the negative ones, you know, those always outweigh the positive ones. You know what I'm saying? Because I see positive ones too, and I love it, and I reply back and stuff. but it get crazy sometimes, so I can't really reply back. But when I see negative shit, the reason why I say it outweighs the positive shit, because I use it as motivation, bro. You know, that's why I was able to do this video, because if y'all wouldn't have did that shit, I'd have been on doing another video. But yeah, thank you. You made me be able to do another video. So for the ones who was talking shit, we about to go right now and find out. You know what I'm saying? So let's go, man. It's a video right here. We're gonna go over it a little bit. We're gonna watch a little bit of it. And I'm gonna act like this is not my son right here, or these not my kids right here. And I'm just gonna see how I would feel if I was to see these niggas spinning. You know what I'm saying? Like as if I didn't even see the video, as if I didn't even make the video. You feel me? Alright. Ooh, this little niggas is spinning. Okay. Okay. Oh, he got a kid. They put a kid in that little nigga here. My son is 4 years old, man. He will be 5 in November. Deucey is 4 years old. He'll be 5 in November. This is my junior. This is my, not even really junior. This is the first. You know, this is my second. I'm the first, he's the second. You know what I'm saying? He has baby hair. He obviously has straight hair. You know, his hair is really thin. His hair grows slow and all that, and it's really thin. As you guys can see, compared to the rest of the other ones, they got the same type of haircut, the same length and everything. His hair is taking the longest to grow. You know what I'm saying? But it's to the curl length, as y'all can see. He's still dipping, but yeah, man, his hair grows pretty slow. So you know, when I get their haircut, I probably won't cut his hair. I'll probably just trim it or something. But he's still woofing. And they say, oh, why you see these? Why can I see so much scalp? His hair is not long enough to get waves. Actually, nigga, do you see what you see? Are you blind, nigga? Are you steady wondering? Cause what I see, nigga, what I see. I see kids, I see the PB kids roping, that's what I see. You know what I'm saying? It's just always something people gotta say, you know what I mean? My kids got kits in their hair. You know, yes, it is silky like that, but shit, that's baby hairs. You feel me? And it's thin hair, so it's gonna be like that. You know, now these grown men, that's hair is looking like this, then you can question the kids. You feel me? These grown men, alright? Now Kevon, as y'all can see, man, he has 2 crowns, but y'all see, I'm closing that second crown on the left. On the right side, you can see. It's not how it used to be. You know what I'm saying? Let me get some better quality. Oh, that's cool. I thought I was on it is 1080p. Okay, so on the right side, y'all see right here, his crown is coming in. On the left, that shit is damn near closed. You know what I'm saying? I'm closing it. You know, I got 2 crowns, so I know how to do it. You feel me? But y'all niggas gotta give me some credit, man. I mean, I got these kids wavy, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, stop being on the negative shit and think about the positive shit and think about what's really going on, the real fucking real, which is my kids getting waves and they daddy not making them getting waves, just brushing their hair because they want it. Y'all see my videos, what they say? They excited, you know what I'm saying? And Keyshawn, y'all see Keyshawn, man. Niggas is spinning, man. You know what I'm saying? So I can see why a lot of y'all, you know, really you shouldn't. But if you got something negative to say, I can see why. It's because you're hating, because my kids are wavy. No, I didn't put no kid in their fucking hair, bro. Hell no. Y'all niggas should know. Especially for the ones who've been watching me for a long time. My day 1 subscribers, you know what I'm saying? You guys know I play a big role of like taking care of my hair and hair health. You know what I'm saying? Like, I never put non-natural shit in my hair, ever. You know what I'm saying? So you guys know. But the ones that's new, thank you for joining the channel. Welcome to PB Gang. You feel me? Welcome to the PB kids, you know? And if your kids watching it right now, I'm sorry for my language, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, I'm just being me right now, man, you know? I'm sorry, I apologize, but don't trip, you know? Y'all gonna have some fun. A lot of videos coming soon with the PB kids, okay? Okay? Just have to get this video out the way real fast. We good? Okay. Okay. Yeah, so y'all see Keyshawn, man. His progress is coming in crazy. On Tuesday, it will be officially 4 weeks from the first haircut. And this shit is already looking like this. Come on, my nigga. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's be real, man. You can't say that's not amazing, bro. That makes you a GOAT. You know, there's a lot of things that can make you a GOAT, but this is really makes you a GOAT. If you're managing brushing your hair and 3 other kids, and they not just having whatever type of wave, look at this progress, bro. All from my work, my craft. I love waving, man. I love my kids. They go hand in hand. You feel me? I love my brushes. I love my DURAGs. I love my products. I love it all. You know what I'm saying? This is a lifestyle, man. Get with the program. Let's get wavy. Niggas ain't using no kits over here. You feel me? It's crazy, man. Anyway, so y'all know that's why, you know, for the ones who didn't see this video or whatever, you know, that's my last video I just posted. You know what I'm saying? You can watch it. You feel me? Check it out. You know what I mean? Yeah, I posted that yesterday, and a lot of people were saying had a lot of shit to say, man, negative shit to say on it. So that's that, man. Okay, let me show you this other picture. Let me show you this other picture, man. It's crazy. Alright, okay, so on Instagram, okay, Instagram, right? It's my Instagram right here. If y'all didn't know, go ahead and spam it up, bro. Spam it up. Let's get it. Follow your boy. Anyway, look, my son, man, Deucey. Ooh, God. Do I see a kid? Do I see a kid in my son? Did this nigga just put a kid in his son here? That's what you niggas are saying. That's what y'all saying. That's what I'm acting like I'm y'all. Stop hating, bro. We almost got 10,000 likes. He got more likes than I ever got on my Instagram, bro. This is 9,000, almost 10,000 likes. 9,706 likes, bro. I dropped this picture yesterday right after the fresh moisturized whatever. After the video, I unragged, boom, I took that picture. You know what I'm saying? This is the results for the wash and go, and then my moisturized method for kids. This is pure brushwork, bro. No kid, no nothing. I already explained to you guys a minute ago about his hair texture. His hair texture is really thin. He has really thin hair. On top of that, he has baby hair. He's only 4 years old. So yeah, it's just, you see the definition and everything. You know what I'm saying? It's like, yeah. And another thing I can say, yeah, a lot of you guys do be like, you know, they have good hair texture. That's why their waves coming in fast. You still have to brush your hair. Do you not understand that? Yes, it does play a part because they do have good hair texture, and I have learned a lot since I've been brushing their hair because I know about different textures now. I've been knowing about it, but I actually witness it now because I brush their hair. It's like brushing my own hair. So I know now, you feel me? I didn't witness the whole, I know, I learned a lot of shit about like other textures now. Smart, you know what I'm saying? So I'm glad they got a different hair texture. That's cool. You know what I'm saying? You can't make some you can't make your kid, you just born with the texture you're born with. You know what I'm saying? And don't trip. Like if you got coarse hair, like I say, y'all know me, bro. I got coarse hair. You have to put in more work, yes. But at the end of the day, you still have to brush your hair. You know what I'm saying? I brush their hair 3 times a day, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, including my hair. So it doesn't matter. You know what I mean? They can have this type of hair texture, and me, I could be barely brushing their hair. Their waves not gonna come on their own, bro. There been times where I didn't even get their hair cut or nothing for a while. Like, I'm talking about like growing their hair out like for like a month or so. This shit automatically got curly. So I knew already it would be a kind of easier if I was to brush their hair more. Right about now, it's been 4 weeks. Right about now, their hair would be curly if I wasn't waving their hair up, which makes it easier for them for school. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gotta put no gel in it or nothing. All I gotta do is unrag. All right, kids, see y'all later. Have fun at school. Have a good day. It just makes it way easier, man. But you do have to put in work, you know. So don't be discouraged. Like I said, if you have coarse hair, it's okay. You can get waves still. It's just gonna take a little longer. It might take double the process. It might take half or double of how long it took for them to get wavy. That's it. So if it took him 3 weeks, it'll take you 6 weeks. You'll be there. It's just patience, bro. It just take time. You feel me? Don't rush it. You feel me? Trust the process. Don't rush it, nigga, and you gonna get there. All right. So I want to hear it. Kill it. Anyways, so let's see, man. Let's read a couple of comments, bro. Let's read a couple of comments, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Like a lot of, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, bro. A lot of people do show love, bro. I love y'all, bro. For real, for real. I love y'all. Y'all be showing hella love, man. That's what's up. Real talk. Real talk. You know, look, he kind of reminded me of a kid, man, but your kids look real. You know, it's like a low key. I know, bro. I see through everything, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's just like a trying to put it out there like he got a kid type shit. You know what I'm saying? This Milano hair don't count. You know what I'm saying? Where the fuck that is? Mulanto, whatever that. I don't know. I guess that's, I don't know who the hell that is, but yeah, a lot of y'all showing love though. A lot of y'all. I ain't saying everybody showing, you know, talking shit. Way so good, look like a kid. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I do, huh? It's just I be brushing their hair, bro. You know, but a lot of people always saying some shit though. You will see. If you go through this, if you go through right here yourself, you will see, bro. It's just a lot of comments, so you know it's hard to find them. You know, but what you put in his head? Oh, okay. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, people be just talking. See, they going through it right here. They back and forth with it. I'll just be like liking shit and just be laughing. Like people be taking up for me though. You know what I'm saying? That's the thing. Like when people say shit about me, I don't gotta say nothing, bro. Like the PP gang is on your head. Like I don't gotta really say shit. They on your head before I see it. You know what I'm saying? So I ain't really tripping, bro. You are the real Uncle Tom. Why the fuck are you talking about cops? I don't give a fuck. I speak facts. You on the other shit. Like, y'all niggas crazy, man. Niggas is you know what I'm saying? Don't perm that head no more. Shaking my head. You see this shit I'm saying? You see this shit I'm talking about? And I was just telling 180 baby pops. I was just telling him like, you know, don't worry about the hate, none of that. I get it all the time and I really don't care about it, but it kind of be different when they talk about your kids. You know, that's like a soft part of my heart. So when they start saying that shit like that, I laugh it off and then I'd be like, I'm about to do a video. I'm gonna do a reaction. You feel me? Like shit like that. But anyways, man, all in all, what it is, you know, if you're doing great, man, they gonna hate. And y'all know what that is, man. And they can't believe that the progress is looking this good already. My bro don't got connections like that. My son barely even have connections. This is really nothing. It's just the definition. It's the picture. It's just the bokeh in the background. Everything, the whole picture period just makes it look nice. You know, these kids are progressing fast. I'm loving doing it. I'm loving this craft. I love this craft. I'm gonna keep doing it until I grow bald. Alright? Y'all hear that? I'm gonna keep doing this shit until I go bald. And when I go bald, I'm gonna still have the knowledge to teach other people how to get waves. And I still have my kids. So they're gonna take over my channel. Anyways, man, I'm out of here, bro. It's Friday, man. I'm about to go. I'm finna turn up. Probably go watch The Meg. That movie, The Meg. Y'all saw that movie already? Like it's like Jaws or something. Like the shark. I like shark movies, man. We finna go watch that tonight, man. But anyways, man, I'm done with this video, man. And y'all already know what it is next. If you're great, they gon' hate. Yeah. Cut the camera, nigga.
I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. So wavy, yes, I'm so ropes. So wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. So wavy, yes, I'm so ropes. So wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. I'm so wavy.